What's up, online shoppers? If you've ever had to pack for a trip, you know how much of a pain that can be. Well, I have found something that is awesome. These are the Blissford Packing Cubes, and they are so great for compression packing in your luggage. Imagine this, you open up your luggage and just have to take out these little individual compartments that are zippered. It's a dream. Let's open up this box and see what's inside. Full disclosure, Blissford did send me this for the purpose of doing a review, but I can assure you my thoughts and reactions are my own. In here is a 6-piece set of packing cubes. Now, one thing I like about this is that this is a really good size. This is a great size for sweatshirts, for sweaters, and even for longer dresses that you can fold and pack. They're gonna work really well for here. Now, these are called compression packing cubes because they have a zipper that goes all the way around. And when you start the zipper, it actually opens up the cube to a wider depth. And then once you've got everything packed in here, you can compress it and do this zipper up and get so much stuff in one little cube. Such an awesome idea. Zip, 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 zip. Now that opens the zipper all the way around, and you can actually see the depth of this right there. Once you've opened it up for depth, there's also a zipper right here, and we're gonna open this up. And here's the other things that come inside. Now, I love the color coding. I think it's pretty. I can see myself using these to pack my husband's clothes, my clothes, his underwear, my underwear. It's nice to keep everything all straight inside of the luggage. Something else I like about this is how far the zipper undoes. I can unzip it, and I've got a big wide space that I can set things in before it's time to start zipping it closed. So this one here is the extra large size, and it is 17 by 13 wide. Here is the large size. Again, it has the same design with the zipper that goes all the way around the outside like this to give you the width of the cube. And then along the top, with over 3/4 of the way, you've got the zipper that opens up here like this, this, and this, nice and wide for putting all of your items in like that. The medium cube is 13.5 by 10. Now, something else I haven't talked about yet, look at this great handle. You can actually use it to carry things around, and I love that. Again, really nice zippers. And one thing that I'm struck by is the quality. Everything is really well put together. If you take a look at the seams usually tell the story. And all of their seams not only are stitched, but they're finished. You've got this really nice piping protecting the seams from fraying, and I think that is an indication of top of the line quality. And here's another thing that's kind of cool. Each one of these packing cubes on the inside of the top has a zippered compartment for more storage in here. This works really well for me to put in any accessories I might have, bangles, jewelry, scarves, something like that. It's a really nice way to stay organized. Here is the next item in the packing cube, and this is their small cube. Now this one here is 11 by 6 3/4. And again, the same design. You have the zipper on the top that opens up 3/4 of the way, and you have the compression zipper that opens up all the way around and gives you the depth of the packing cubes. And then once you've done and you've put everything in here, you push the air out and you zip up that outside. I'm gonna give you a demonstration to show you just how much you can actually fit in these. And finally, you also get these 2 other compression packing cubes. You get this one that's just like a little cinch bag for maybe throwing shoes in, which is super convenient, and a long skinny compression packing cube as well. And this one here only has the zipper along the outside. So this might be really nice for accessories or maybe underwear or something that you didn't really have to do a lot of compression for. There you have it, folks. Now let's show you how the compression cube actually works. For the sake of demonstration, I'm going to take this large packing cube and show you how it works. So I have some items here that I want to pack. I've got this big blanket. I'm gonna wiggle it in that and like that. I'll give you an idea of how big this is too. So I've got this blanket. I've got a couple towels I'm gonna put in here. And this big fluffy sweatshirt. I'm gonna zip the bag up all the way around like this. If I put this in my suitcase, you can see how much space it would take up, but the compression packing cube works like this. Now here's where the extra zipper comes into place. We start with zipping like this, and you can push on it to get the cube to come together. Now a little bit of pressure exerted from the top is all that it takes to compress this down. And these zippers are so sturdy. I love how well this is put together. This definitely is a top quality product. You know, it doesn't look a lot thinner, but this is definitely much more compressed than the previous version of this. And I love how easily this is gonna go into my suitcase now. If you were looking for a great way to revolutionize your packing, to go in your suitcase, or even just a great way to store out of season clothes, these compression packing cubes are ideal. I am super impressed with these packing cubes. I love the color trim on the exterior. I love the wide variety of sizes in one package. I love the construction. This is super strong ripstop material. It's not going to fray. And I love when I open it up and I take a look at the seams, I can see the quality. Everything is double reinforced on the inside. You're not going to have seams letting go, which is super important when you are compressing things under pressure. The zippers move really smoothly. They've got these really nice little pulls on all of the zippers as well to make it easy to use. And I am really impressed with the wide variety of sizes. The extra large, the medium, the small, the extra small, and the cinch bag for your shoes. This is an awesome value, and I can tell that this is going to be a family favorite at my house.